This was a trade I took on WEEX exchange few days ago. The pair is ONDO/USDT pair, as you can see over here, and this is the 30-minute time frame. I found this CRT setup on the higher time frame and then broke down, did a top-down analysis, broke it down to 30-minute time frame. As you can see, we have a clean liquidity sweep here of this previous low. We also had a clean market structure shift here. The moment I saw this and also saw the fair value gap here, I just knew this was a good setup to trade. So this was what I expected for the trade. Tap into this territory and then rally to the upside. So WEEX exchange currently has a campaign going on. The campaign began July 15th and is expected to end August 15th, 2026. All you have to do is to use the link in the description of this video. Sign up with my link in the description or in the comment section of this video, and you are going to get 40 free USDT for signing up with my link and trading. All you have to do is just buy and sell on the spot market and buy and sell on the futures market. That's all you get. And also, when you deposit over 100 USDT and hold for more than 3 days, you are going to get 20 free USDT bonus as well. Your first futures trading is going to give you access to free 20 USDT as well. So combined, you'll be earning 80 USDT for just signing up using my link and trading on your WEEX account. Make sure you do your KYC, verify your account. So sign up using the link in the description of this video and in the comment section of this video to begin. So let's see how the trade ends up playing out. There must be a liquidity sweep first, then break down to the lower time frame to map out a market structure shift, and then make sure the market structure shift, the candle that led to the market structure shift left fair value gap behind. So let me show you guys on how to follow our signal on the Telegram channel and trade with us on WEEX. So after setting up your account, make sure you have your account verified. As you can see, my account is currently verified on WEEX. So trade futures trading, you just have to click on the futures market here. Make sure you manage your risks properly. So for the sake of this video, this is one of the signal we posted several days ago. BTC was trading around 76k then. The trade later triggered. It was a clean setup. I think we got to as high as 5.6 RRR on that BTC trade, and this was a trade right here. TP1 got hit. Now this is how you take signals for the newbies watching this video. Now it says here entry price $76,750 and TP1 $77,200 and 50 cents, and the stop loss $76,525 and 90 cents. And the leverage instruction here says 40x leverage max. Remember, the leverage instructions say 40x max, and we are currently at 20x leverage. WEEX offers up to 200x leverage, so you can just basically click on that 20x leverage to increase it to 40x leverage. Remember, I said 40x leverage max on that particular signal. So we are currently on cross margin, which is a combined margin. Now, what I love to use mostly is the isolated margin. So you just have to click on isolated margin to change it there. And yeah, so after that, click on confirm. So we are now on isolated margin. And yeah, so for long trade, as you can see over here, this is green and this is red. So if you want to go short, it's still on 20x leverage, but if you want to go long, it's now on 40x leverage. If you want both, you can just basically click on short and then adjust it to 40x2, and both of them are going to be showing 40. It's currently on the market order, so we'll have to change it to limit order, which is right here. You get limit order because the signals is a limit order trade. If it were to be a market entry, you can then leave it at market order. That's the entry, 76,750.5. That's the entry. And what I like to do, at times I'll use all my capital, whereas at times I'll just use 50% of my capital. I think at the end of the day, it all depends to the amount you want to enter the trade with. So let's just say I'm using 50% of my capital. I've dragged this to 50%. And yeah, so the next thing to do now is to click on this icon right here to set your stop loss and your TP. These are very, very important. You have to do it. Set your stop loss and your take profit. So we are just going to basically type 77,250 cents. You get it? So if you're paying attention, it is now saying here that when it gets to TP1, we are going to be up 23.4% and we'll be making $2,250.36 from our current position. And if you were to change it, let's assume you want to like target TP2, type TP2 price there 78,000.5, which is 50 cents. We are going to be up 65%, and we are going to be up $6,251 in profit. To set your stop loss, you just have to click on this stop loss section right here. See $6,525.9. So according to the stop loss, if our stop loss unfortunately get hit, we are going to be losing minus 11% of our capital, and we are going to be losing $1,123 from this position we are in. But if take profit hits, we are going to be making over 65% in profit and over $6,000 in profit. So when you're done imputing everything correctly, the next thing to do is to click on open long, because we currently want to go long. Cross check your information once again and then proceed by clicking on confirm. Use the link in the description of this video to sign up on WEEX and claim your 80 USDT sign up and trading bonus right now before the campaign ends. The campaign is expected to end August 15th, 2026. When you click on this section, this asset right here, you're going to see all of your assets in one place in the overview section, as you can see over here. And then the total asset you hold on futures, on spot, is going to be displayed here. You can as well trade their P2P. You can as well buy USDT directly using Google Pay, Pix, and Apple Pay. If you click on stock, this is stock we are currently on, or if you click on stock, you get to see strictly stock, assets you get. And if you click on pre-IPO, you get to see pre-IPO. You click on metal, you get to see metal. Click on commodity, you get to see commodities as well. So WEEX exchange is more like a super crypto exchange, if you ask me. So that's that for this video. As always, my name is Isaac. Peace out.